Welcome to Mbombela Fanatics, and I'm your host Limbo Mukhale. Today I'm in Ganyamazane to witness the MFC clash, the Mpumalanga derby between the Bees versus Kruger United. A game as of choices concluded with a score line of 2-2 and with a draw. And I'm joined by TS Galaxy fan. Namhlanje mbona ufaka my face page. Dunayam. Congratulations. TS Galaxy ihleli nalo lena kuphethe premiership ayikadelegate le season lena. Namhla bawutokubukela lona liqembu le the Bees lidlala nayo iKruger lana igame phela ngedrobo nenjani game.
I know igame ngibone kahle bemnanzi kakhulu both teams bakhombisile ukuthi you know what ibhola yaseMpumalanga likhulu kakhulu kushaya 2 amagoli ngala it means a lot siyaphambili siMpumalanga so siTS Galaxy jabule kakhulu ukujoina iKruger United. Hopefully we are going to have our own derby next year.
Iqembu leKruger uma ulibuka le season lena the way idlale ngayo kumisela kwalo lenyalo selipromotiwe lifike ku division lesetulu nyalo selithathwa phethwe premiership la lito beligijima nanikhona yini lelingasho lifise kuba kusho kuwo or yini lokubuhle lifisa kwafisela kona
sibafisela ukuthi bahlale ba maintain standard babe ku PSL for more than 4 for 5 seasons sibe now. Hopefully Mpumalanga itawgrow kakhulu. I think TS Galaxy jabule kakhulu. We are happy guys. So sifisa lokuhle iKruger United phambili Kruger phambili.
Dunayam ngembi kokuthi ngikwerele liqembu lakhona la ekhaya iCasric belidlala namuhla lapho belilwela kungena khona kuma playoff akhambanga ngendlela yakhona Cape Town City ibonile iwina lapha Ndunayami. Uthi into kaCasric last season they were able to get to my playoff zone. This season abakhona ikugena iKruger ngiyo le top ile season lena automatic promotion uthini ku coach Mthombeni nawo ma believers
hayi kuba Fumeri coach Mthombeni sakaqhubeke la ebambe khona. I think uta kahle. It's one of the unfortunate days where TS Galaxy iKruger United suke dominate kakhulu, but Casric I think is doing very well. I think the next season if bangaqhubeka labagcine khona they will definitely make it.
Sure. Bonga Kucha lakithi, congratulations once again on surviving relegation Duna.
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu.
Siyathokoza.